Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow sharing of notes to Instagram Reels and Post. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon on the bottom right to be directed to your profile page. Once you're here, select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then you want to scroll down underneath how others can interact with you and select sharing and reuse. And where it says repost on posts and reels, you can toggle this on or off depending on your preference. And where it says allow people to add notes to your content, notes on posts and reels, toggle this on or off depending on your preference. If you want to allow sharing of notes to the Instagram reel, just have this toggled on right there. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.